I'm going full dog mom mode today, tomorrow, the rest of my life.
And I'm here to encourage it.
Yeah! Woo! So, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been really bad at uploading, but you know, life, it happens.
Okay. I feel you, girl.
Such is life, yeah. We are at Tempe Marketplace right now, and we are going to PetSmart because I gotta pick up some dog goods. You're in the video, whether you like it or not. So we're gonna do that, and I thought that I would vlog it a little bit because Steve and I get our little puppy scout tomorrow, and I'm so excited! Yeah, and so the boys are gonna be on their way back soon from Vegas. They're on a little film trip, and so I'm gonna knock out some puppy shopping right now. Okay, first things first is dog food. I need dog food. I should have got like a cart. Yeah, we need a cart. All right, we got a cart. So we need puppy food. I know they've been feeding the puppies Blue Buffalo, but we need the puppy Blue Buffalo. I don't know where that is. Holy shit, this is expensive. Oh girl, yeah. Wow, I'm gonna be poor from here on out. Should I get, what size bag do you think?
Probably that he is really tiny.
But like, if we're gonna be using it for a while, shouldn't I just get a big one?
Yeah, twice as big, yeah.
Bang for your buck, I guess. All right, we need treats. The bag is secured. So, I am about to try to put up this dog pen by myself right now. Steven should be home in like 2 hours or so from their filming trip. And I told him I would have this put up by the time he got home, so here we are. Yeah, we actually got this pen. Of course, this is upside down because that's just my luck. But we actually got this pen sent to us from Clearly Loved Pets. So thank you so much, Clearly Loved Pets, for sending this to us. It's going to be so helpful for our little puppy that we are getting tomorrow. So excited. Yeah, so let's open this baby up. So this is what I have so far. I think I'm only gonna put literally this on this end as well. So like one more wall and then the end and then a wall. So just 3 more panels because it'll fit perfectly right here. And if I did any more, it would take up the entire living room. And the puppies just aren't that big yet. So yeah, and Steven and I are moving into a house by the end of this month. So it'll just be less to take apart. Bob the frickin' Builder. That's how I feel right now. I am Sid the Builder. Here is the pen. It's actually, we got one much, much, much bigger. Like there's a lot more parts to it, but I just made it this size because it fits perfectly right here. Steven, you ready to come out? Wake up, wake up. Good boy, good boy. It's puppy day. I'm just waiting for Steven to come down. He went to the gym this morning and I went and grabbed coffee. And then we're gonna go get the puppy. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
There he is. There he is. Yeah, look at his face.
God, I love you so much.
He's so calm.
Pause.
Yeah, he's a monster. He's gonna eat Scout alive.
I know. So is Sky. I'm
Oh my god, yeah. This guy's going to like attack them.
Oh. Daisy gave him a kiss.
He's like, where are we going?
It's like, this doesn't look like what I know. In the bag, in the trash.
Oh my god.
He already loves the camera. You already love the camera, don't you?
I'm so jealous right now.
Oh, you smudged my lens.
Little baby, you
Look at the tail.
so cute.
I love you.
So cute. Wait, Ari, could you get a thumbnail?
Oh, God.
He's so cute.
That is so sick. He like even like a little like twist of his head.
Your first thumbnail. YouTube dog into me.
You don't even know it yet.
You're so cute.
You're so cute. Does that have a flip up? Nope.
Look at him. You are beautiful. Yeah. Oh. You booped the camera? You booped the camera? Yeah. He like stopped and posed. He's so beautiful. He is so beautiful. Come here.
That's my boy.
Come here. Come here. Hi, baby. Hi. So, little status update. It is, what time is it? Almost 4. He's crying right now. What? He is actually doing a great job. Good first day. He hasn't had any accidents inside the house. We've peed outside, what, like 4 or 5 times? 5 times today, and we've rewarded him every time. And he went poo-poo outside one time, and no accident indoors. So let's keep it up. Let's keep it up, pup. Look at his little egg head. Cute. But yeah, and we just ran to Target and PetSmart real quick to just grab a couple things that we forgot for him. And we introduced him to the crate and everything, and it went really well, but of course he like obviously cried so much when we left. But when we got back, he was like done crying, just kind of chilling in there, so that's a pretty good sign. But yeah, you're doing so good so far. Yeah. Run to daddy. Go run to him. Call him.
Give me a scalp.
Go to daddy. Go. Oh.
I love you, dog.
Oh.
Dog. My big boy. Yeah, you're my big boy.
We're also going to give him some more little time alone tonight. We're gonna go see the Joker at 10:30. So that'll be some alone time for him because it's really important. Even though we want to smother him with love and just like give him attention 24/7, he really needs to learn to be independent and be like on his own because we have jobs and everything. So he is gonna be on his own every now and then. So yeah, we'll see how he does for that. But I probably won't check in until tomorrow when that happens because we'll probably get out of the movie by like midnight. He is just using Steven as a chew toy right now.
Wow.
You're so adorable. He's literally like a little pedigree pup.
Oh yeah. Good dog, man.
Hi, buddy.
Hello, good morning. He did so good, boy.
Scout try out the crate for the first time, and honestly, he did amazing.
He's like, okay, now get me out.
Now we're gonna give him some dinner. It's not that bad, bud.
It's not bad.
It's not that bad, Bubba boy.
All right, it is the next morning. We got Scout here. He's the happiest puppy ever. So yeah, last night actually went a lot better than we thought it was going to go. He stayed asleep, didn't even cry when we put him in his crate right away because we kind of let him fall asleep on the bed with us and then we moved him to his crate. So he did not really cry at all throughout the night except for at like 2 a.m. Then he started going a little crazy and we just like shushed him, and then once he stopped crying, then we went, got him out of his crate, took him outside, and he went poop and pee. You did both. Oh, good job. Good job. Yeah, but now he's just really energetic compared to last night and wants to play. But overall, you did so good. And we took him outside this morning. He went poop and pee again. He's been such a good little bubba. He's been so great. But yeah, so then that just about wraps up the vlog. So subscribe.